Hi guys. Today I'm in Vashi. Tomorrow Wednesday I'm in Nagpur. Thursday I'm taking the workshop in Pune, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday we are conducting the lectures in all our branches. So in case you want to attend a demo lecture or want to come and meet me, please do call any of the numbers given here. Yeah, or in case you want to join us for the books more shortcuts, you can just call the numbers. We are launching our G strategy program in all the locations. All right, that's one very good question. How much time we get on the exam day per question? So we'll compare CAT with CET and CMAT. Three exam we'll talk about. So if I look at the number of questions and the time we have, yeah, Utkarsh, I'll take care of that. तो पहले क्या कहता हूँ, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस. तो उत्कर्ष की कंप्लेंट आई आजकल आप यूट्यूब पे ऑल द बेस्ट नहीं बोलते, तो भाई पहले ऑल द बेस्ट क्या कह देते हैं, बाद में करेंगे. ठीक है. कैट में वी हैव गॉट 60 क्वेश्चन, 65, 66, लेट्स से 66 क्वेश्चन टू बी डन इन 120 मिनट्स. सीईटी में वी हैव गॉट 200 क्वेश्चंस टू बी डन इन 150 मिनट्स, एंड सीमैट वी हैव गॉट 100 क्वेश्चन टू बी डन इन 180 मिनट्स. फाइन. सीमैट वी कैन सॉल्व एवरी क्वेश्चन. So all 180 question have to be done, have to be attempted. कर पाओ नहीं कर पाओ बात की बात है. So on average we have got 1.8 minute per question. ठीक है, which is more than sufficient time to crack. उसमें कुछ क्वेश्चन जीके का भी है जिसमें टाइम कम लगता है. So we have on average 2 minutes per question. Okay. CAT में there are 66 questions, but you can't solve all of them. करना भी नहीं है, कर भी नहीं पाओगे. Both ways. Your target should be around 40 question. Even if you crack 40 question, you can still go to IIMS. Otherwise, let's let's keep the target of attempting and solving 50 questions. Okay. So if I attempt around 50 questions, so that give me approximately 2 point something, 2.4 minutes per question. Yeah, which is more than sufficient time to again solve. CET on the other hand, CAT में 120 minute time थोड़ा सा increase कर दिया 150 minutes, and number of question थोड़ा सा increase कर दिया 200 question. And CET में your ideal attempt is around 175. Those who have gone to JB, their attempt is 175 to 180. तो उसको हम 200 ही लेके चलते हैं, 180, 175 attempt. So that is approximately 45 seconds per question. And there are a lot of questions which have same difficulty level between CMAT and CET. Like logic section is same, exactly same. Verbal section and quant, the level of difficulty is exactly same. And look at the time, 2 minutes. Look at the time, 45 seconds per question. Same way, there are a lot of commonalities between CAT and CET also. For example, puzzles ka level. The level of puzzles is almost same. Yeah, the level of DILR make caselets exactly same. Time 2.4 minutes per question, time 45 seconds per question. So CET is more about speed game. Injustice, yes, it is injustice. क्या करें लेकिन हड़ताल करें या चुपचाप बैठ के सॉल्व करें. तो CET is more about speed game. CAT is more about test match. So I consider CAT to be a test match. आराम से खेलो, जो बॉल आ रही है करो, जो बॉल नहीं आती ना करो. फाइन. CET on the other hand a T20 मैच. मारो साला, बस बैट घुमाओ, फिर जितना स्कोर कर सकते हो करो. ऑलराइट.